Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I have a sweet dessert for you guys, and if you guys are ready, we are going to get started. So to get started with this recipe, we are going to add 1 egg to the bowl, and you want to go ahead and whisk your egg. And the next ingredient is going to be a half cup of granulated sugar, a 1/3 cup of buttermilk, and then 1/3 cup of regular milk of your choice. And I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then 1 teaspoon of cake butter extract. And we are going to go ahead and mix everything together. So you want to go ahead and add in about 2 teaspoons of melted butter, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and you want to go ahead and mix everything or whisk it. So our next ingredients are 2 cups of flour, and to the flour I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and a half tablespoon of baking soda. And you want to go ahead and sieve it. You can always add salt to your ingredients, but I never do. So we want to sieve everything and make sure that it's mixed well. And you want to go in with your spatula after you are done to mix everything with your spatula. And then after that, guys, I added in 1 tablespoon of water and I continue mixing. So before you get started with the frying, you want to go ahead and let your flour mixture sit for about 10 minutes. So to get started, I am using vegetable oil, and I'm using medium small pots so that way I don't have to use too much oil. And I'm going to heat my oil at 350 before I get started. So now guys, the oil is ready and we are frying right now, and I'm using my tablespoon as a measuring tool, and then the scooper as well, but you can always get a metal scooper, and you don't want to use plastic, but I'm using plastic because I'm also dipping the scooper, the spoon, into the oil so that the flour does not stick to the spoon. And right over here, guys, you want to go ahead and continue frying 5 minutes the most, and you want to go ahead and just move your fritters or your puffs around like I'm doing right over here until they turn brown. That's when you are going to notice that they are ready. I continue doing this for a little bit because I wanted to make sure that they were evenly cooking everywhere. So guys, this recipe was inspired by my grandma because I did not have yeast, and I always thought that fritters are made out of yeast, and my grandma was like, you can make fritters out of baking powder. And I was like, oh. So of course I always thought like puffs always needed extra ingredients because I love cake, so I made my own version. And I thought it was really good and very crispy and cake-like. Guys, this recipe was so good, and I just wanted to share it because I give respect to all the sweet stuff. But so as you guys can see over here, these are ready. They have to be like golden brown like that. And of course I continued making some more by doing the same thing over again, and this time, guys, I did it off cameras for the rest of my puffs. So anyway, I just want to say I hope you guys like this video, and thank you for subscribing and for watching this channel. I hope that you can try these puffs, and you can always eat them with anything. As you guys can see, that's how they look like right over here, and they were so yummy. So guys, this part is optional, but I'm using lemon marmalade. I love eating them with honey. That's my favorite. Or you can eat them by themselves, and they're crispy and so yummy by themselves. Guys, I just want to say thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you